Here, you can sit on the bed if you want. You want something funny? I left my sheets on my leg.
Hey, oh, isn't Rich? Sorry, guys, but what?
I got burned.
I'm trying to have something else.
Next.
Grab my black light.
Give me a little bit of ventilation. I heard you kind of feel like General Grievous.
There we go.
Oh man. Don't
It
do
burns! Look what it looks like over here. Check this out. Whoa, isn't that awesome?
We need a little bit of ventilation though. Like
Dude,
this.
the thing's open already.
Where?
The air conditioning vent's open.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It looks like a dungeon.
Guys, told you to stop smoking pot in here.
Yeah, sorry. I can't keep it happen. Here, you guys, you can sit down if you want.
Breaking the...
Oh, dude, my iPod Nano's over there on the desk.
I know, I saw it.
You can look through it.
Don't worry, I already replaced it with my iPod Mini.
Oh, look, there's plenty
Yeah.
of pictures. Oh, here, I need to get all the hilarious. No! Don't plug them.
I should have before and after pictures.
Yeah, stop smoking pot. Ah! I get escaped. Can't see me.
You know, you can sit on the bed.
Where? Whoa.
That bed. Or the one behind you, right over here.
Oh yeah, right. Right.
I can
Or
see
you can sit
it.
on the chair right
All
here.
up the edge of the earth. Oh, whoa.
Or you can sit right here.
Yeah.
Chair.
This stuff tastes nasty. Whoa, are you okay?
The chair.
Are you okay?
Fine.
That was so weird.
You missed the chair.
Because it's speaking too much Arabic.
This stuff leaves a lovely taste in your mouth, doesn't it?
No way.
iPod Nano. We downloaded any songs?
Yep. All the gin joints in the world by Fall Out Boy.
Really?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Was it one song?
Mm-hmm.
Have you heard of
Smells
Ice?
like pancakes.
Have you heard of I So Hate Consequences?
I have that song.
Yeah. Now, guys, you might like it right now, but now imagine this is all deadly nerve gas.
This would be pretty cool, except
Imagine this is for my dad.